I want y'all to go out there to them vending machines and help the homeless. Click on them icon on them big screen internet vending machines or mash the button and donate a quarter to the homeless. Ain't that right, Pooh? That's right. We got our longest daddy. He got you a puppet. Yeah, got me a puppet. And as long as Vendo Hobo got a blanket, you got one. It might be 32 degrees and it's cold and raining. All my friends out there want to be on those social networks and they want to show everybody and show how good they doing. I used to have a lot of friends. Ain't got no friends now. I used to have friends. I taught a lot of my friends how to drive. Come back, doggy. Come back. As long as I got a home, you got a home. You can have my blanket. I taught them how to drive. They used to stay with me. I fed them. But when you're down and out, nobody want to show off and talk to you and be your friend when you're down and out. Nobody want to be your friend. Come back, dog. You can be my friend. Please be my friend. Come on back. Don't leave me too. Vendo Hobo. I ain't got no friends. Out here in this cold and raining. All my friends gone. Be a friend to the Vendo Hobo. Put a quarter in the vending machine, click the button, and help the homeless. I'm Vendo Hobo. Come on, dog, be my friend. Come back. Come back. I ain't got no friends. Touch that vending machine. Touch the heart of the homeless. Vendo Hobo.